The cabin air filter in a 2013-2018 Acura RDX is located behind the passenger side glove box. Its purpose is to filter dust, pollen, and pollutants from entering the cabin through the HVAC system. Changing it regularly, every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, is crucial for maintaining good air quality, preventing musty odors, and ensuring optimal HVAC performance. Neglecting the filter can lead to reduced airflow, foggy windows, and potential mold buildup, costing you more money in the long run. Start by parking your vehicle on a level surface and turning off the engine to ensure safety during the replacement process. Next, open the passenger side glove box fully to access the area behind it. Detach the glove box damper arms by gently squeezing or pulling the stops on the sides, then carefully lower the glove box. Locate the plastic filter housing cover behind the glove box and release the clips or screws securing it. Slide out the old filter and note its airflow direction. The arrow should point toward the cabin. Insert the new filter with the arrow pointing in the same direction toward the cabin. Reinstall the housing cover and secure the clips. Reattach the glove box damper arms and close the glove box. Finally, test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow.